Today I'm sharing the coloring of the Christmas Calories Don't Count newly released stamp set, and I'm doing a little bit of stenciling with some gold lunar paste. So I hope you stick around and check it out. I'm going to color the mug. My go-to pink color R89, R85, R83, and R81. And I'm going to do the outer edge of the mug in the darkest color and underneath the little drippings. I'm going to use my go-to gingerbread color, E99, E97, and E95. I'm also going to use it for the little cupcake because we want to make that a little gingerbread spice cupcake. All right, so I have this tape, but it's a little bit, it kind of looks like fabric, so I'm not sure if it's if it's gonna work that good, but I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this across my image so I can do some stenciling on the bottom. And I'm gonna use a Simon Hurley Lunar paste in this gold color. And I'm just going to add my pattern. I'm going to tape it down. All right, let's see how this goes. It's the first time I'm using this product. So I'm just gonna spatula that on. Try to get a thin layer. And I'm wondering if that's gonna go right through my tape. If it does, we will make it work. Always gonna make it work. All right, now I'm gonna scrape all the excess off. Let's see, I'm just gonna lift this up. There we go. We'll wash that off right away. And let's remove this tape, get this out of the way so I don't get it ruined, and then slowly peel off this tape. Okay, it looks like it didn't go through, so that's good. There we go. So I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to ground our images with some shadow. Alright, so I cut my card base out with a wonky stitch die, and I kind of did it crooked, so now my my peel-off sticker is on an angle. So I'm going to mask that mistake with a bow. I'm going to try to, at least. So I have this black and white twine bow, and I'm going to add some glue right here. And we'll just kind of distract your eye with the bow. I have the gingerbread kisses cut out with the die. So I cut out a few items so you could see how the die cuts out. Here is the large image. So it cuts out little slits right there between the cupcake and the mug and inside the mug handle. It's got a nice white border. We have the Christmas calories don't count cut out. And then this is a really cool stamp. I really love this one. And it's a nice little heart. And here's the candy cane. So I was thinking about putting the sentiment down here, maybe in the corner. But I wanted to show you the Crafty Mama Diaries Sparkling Christmas Mix. So this was exclusive mix to my shop, and it matches perfectly with the Gingerbread Visions paper pad, doesn't it? It also matches the Sparkling Christmas Wishes paper pad, but it happens to match this one as well, so awesome. I'm gonna take a few sequins out and embellish the card with that. Okay, I think that's where I want my sequins, so let's go ahead and glue that down. And then let's add our sentiment. Okay, so we got our bow, our sequins, our gold, very, very pretty card. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have the products linked in the description box for you. You can find everything at the Not Too Shabby shop. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.